Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send videos on Discord. So for you to send videos on Discord, here is how you can get it done. So for example, if you want to send videos from your Discord, you can simply do that by just click on the direct messages app on the Discord, which is the Discord icon on your Discord screen. You click on this app or this icon, which is the Discord logo. You click on it, then you should have a list of friends. You can see these are my list of friends that I have in chat. Then right, say I want to, for example, I want to send the videos to this particular person. I'm just going to click on this plus icon right here. So I'm going to click on it. You can see upload a file. Then it's going to take me down to my storage, and from here I can just simply pick a particular video example. Then once you do that, then you can just simply click on one of this video, then upload. And for you to send the video in server, just click on server. Don't have any server, you can add the server, but I actually have the server, so I'm just gonna use this as an example. Okay, good. Then you come down here in the server, click on the plus icon also, then you click on, you use the upload file option, then you take it down to your storage window, then you click any video of your choice. That's it. And also, if you want to send a large file video to your Discord, you can just simply use your Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive, configure the privacy level, make it widely open for others, then make it available for others to edit, then copy the code and paste. And if you actually had Google Drive as a virtual storage on your PC like I do, just plus icon, then you click on upload a file and you click on the Google Drive, because I actually had this Google Drive as a virtual storage on my PC. So you can just click on it, click on the option, you can see my drive right here. I can pick any video of my choice that I can easily upload from here down to the server, and that's it. Find this video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.